interview. When you first started Wayin, it was a kind of social media startup. Tell me exactly what it is now and what it was then.
Well, we saw the cloud computing, the network as the computer, was going to definitely start to impact the whole marketing experience much more aggressively. We're not the only company to have figured it out. And there's lots of little companies out there doing social listening, doing analytics, doing engagement and digital campaign tools, all the rest of it. And we went after that marketplace. We thought we would be a social network while we were doing that, but Pinterest and Snapchat and all the others have won. So we decided to ride and use those technologies. So we ingest the entire social media conversation in real time. We tag and index it, sort of like Google does the web. We do the social media conversation. I call it crowd noise. We index it and allow you to filter and search it and find social golden needles in that haystack of social crowd noise, and then apply them to authentic campaigns to do quizzes and do sweepstakes and coupons and photo upload contests, all the rest of it, and provide a wonderful end-to-end cloud digital marketing experience that allows you to interact with huge numbers of clientele out there. In fact, the Wayin today has engaged 1 in 7 humans on the planet.
Wow.
Which is kind of a stunning, 1 in 14. And we have a line of sight to getting to 1 in 7 humans on the planet. And we are capturing the first party data of those engagements. By the end of this year, we think we'll have 1 in 7 people who have engaged in our digital campaigns. So
what I like about this is you focus on authenticity. It's an unusual kind of way of marketing, something that my friends Doc Searles, kind of with the Clue Train Manifesto many years ago, said that marketing now, it's about conversations. It's about talking to your customers directly as opposed to kind of, as you say, megaphone marketing.
Exactly right. And that one-on-one, it turns out that people trust a social post far more than they trust the marketing campaign done by the Madison Avenue ad agency.
What a surprise.
Right, exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, I think this is it's very different from your start, from how you began. It's probably refreshing to try different things, new things.
It's actually pretty similar in many ways, in the sense that when I started in the computer industry, there were hundreds of APIs, which were the microprocessor, operating system, user interface, binary environment. And you had to decide if you're going to write an application or add value to a platform, which one did you do? Data General? Did you do DEC? Did you do one of 5 IBM APIs? Or did you do Apple or PC or Sun or whatever? And if you think about the marketing world, we sort of have, and we ended up with what I call the Frankenstein data center, where you brought in all these little different pieces, and it was very proprietary and very constrained. The marketing directors today have that same problem. They have to buy their listening tool from here, their analytics from there, their publishing tools from there, and they're building their own little Frankensteins or Frankensuites, if you want to call them, in the CMO's office, and they're becoming IT directors. We're trying to put together a new age, new generation, scalable, integrated from the ground up, carrier grade, open API, clearly architected cloud architecture that allows these digital campaigns to happen. And what's also interesting, very much like in the distributed computing space, where people went from the mainframe to truly distributed network computing, people today, 3/4 of the media buys are still in the traditional print and media megaphone buys. But we had the big kaboom last year where worldwide people are now spending more time in front of a digital screen, like we all are right now, than they are in front of a TV screen. So that big change has happened, yet the advertising and media buys and campaigns have not transitioned. So there's this massive gap between where people are spending today versus where the user is today.